Hello students, today we are going to start a next article in the chapter line and plane, that is the shortest distance between a skew lines. Okay, yeah, shortest distance between a skew lines. It is a new word, skew lines. Okay, first we see what are the skew lines. Okay, here we know that in a plane there are any two lines in a plane. Okay, there are any two lines. That two lines are either parallel or intersect each other. Here this a line, it is a line, okay, not a line segment. So we increase this, okay, then we increase this line, and then this line intersect, okay, at any point. If the lines are not parallel, okay, lines are not parallel, then lines are intersect at any point in a plane. If lines are parallel, then the lines does not intersect. If lines are not intersect, then the lines are parallel. That means in a plane, the relation between two lines, that is, lines are either parallel or intersect each other. Okay, there is only two conditions. Lines are either intersect. If lines are not intersect, that means lines are parallel. Okay, in a plane. Now, what are the skew lines? Okay, in a plane, two lines are either intersect or parallel, but skew lines are neither parallel nor intersect. Okay, skew lines are neither parallel nor intersect, but we have learned in a plane, if two lines are either intersect or parallel, there is only two conditions between two lines, if the lines are parallel or intersect. Okay, in a plane. But skew lines are neither parallel nor intersect. Okay, neither parallel and nor intersect. That means that line lie on a different plane. Okay, in a plane, okay, in a same plane, two lines are either parallel or intersect. But if the lines are neither parallel nor intersect, then the two lines lie on a different plane, and that lines are called as skew lines. Skew lines means lines neither parallel nor intersect. That is a non-coplanar lines. Okay, here we see, here it is a cube or it is a parallelepiped. There are 6 planes. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, we consider it is a line. Okay, here it is line lie on this plane, and it is a second line lie on this plane. Okay, these two lines are neither parallel nor intersect. Okay, because this line lie on this plane. Okay, if we increase this line infinite, okay, here infinitely increase, and this line we infinitely increase, that two lines are not intersect each other, because these two lines lie on a different plane. This line lie on this plane, and this line lie on this plane. Okay, here now we see like this type. Okay, again these two lines lie on a different plane. Okay, but you look like when we draw a diagram, okay, these two lines like a intersect. Okay, here we see if these two lines intersect each other, but we draw a diagram by 2 dimension. Okay, we draw a picture on board, it is a 2-dimensional, but these two lines look like intersect, but these two lines lie on different plane. These are not intersect. Okay, here these two lines lie on a different plane, so these two lines are not intersect. Okay, that means these two lines are the skew lines. That means non-coplanar lines are called skew lines. Okay, neither parallel nor intersect. If two lines are neither parallel nor intersect. Okay, here if we see, if two lines here are parallel, see carefully, these two lines are the parallel, then these two lines are the parallel. If two lines are parallel, then that two lines contain a same plane. Okay, that two lines here, if two lines are the parallel, then that lines contain a plane. That means that coplanar line. Okay, two lines lie on a same plane if two lines are the parallel, but here two lines are neither parallel nor intersect. That means the two lines lie on a different plane, and that line are called the skew lines. Skew lines, simple definition, two lines are the neither parallel nor intersect. Neither parallel nor intersect. It is called skew lines. That means non-coplanar lines. Okay. And if lines are a coplanar, then that are either parallel or intersect if lines are coplanar. Okay, and non-coplanar line, that is the skew lines, are neither parallel nor intersect, that means that lie on a different plane. Okay, see carefully this.